Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to see how they print strings in Python. Okay, so this is the second video if you know. So let's go here. So first thing, integer is to use to print numbers. So integers itself mean printing numbers in Python. Clearing the throat. Okay, so if you need to print numbers, you don't really need to use quotes. Example, print 10 or print, print 100. Or print 1, I don't know what number is. Okay, now if we press run and then run module, yeah, save, so we have to save the file. Now let's go to the shell, and then here we have them. But then even if you want to do it inside quotes, it will work. So example, print 20, quotes 20, it will be the same, print 200 or print I don't know what number it is. Oh no, double quotes. Yeah. Now, even if you run this, it'll be the same. The number will be printed, because even if it's inside double quotes or outside without double quotes, it will get printed. Because basically, if you use double quotes, it'll be counted as a string, but the numbers will be printed. But then, if you even do it without quotes, it will be done. And if it's without quotes, and if you print a number, anything, the number will be printed. And you can also do calculation inside without quotes. But then if you do a calculation inside the double quotes, and if you type 1 into 2, the answer won't be 2. The printed text will be 1 into 2, because it's inside double quotes or single quotes or whatever quotes you want. So always remember, for calculations, always without quotes, but then for numbers you can use quotes or even without quotes. Nobody cares. Okay guys, hope this lesson was helpful for you. Bye guys. See you later.